Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Trega, your go-to source for all things finance. Today, we're talking about a story that's got everyone's eyes on it. U.S. stock futures are edging higher ahead of key inflation data. We've got a real interesting situation brewing here, folks. Traders are watching the clock as they wait for the release of August's personal consumption expenditures, or PCE, figures. This is the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of inflation, and it's going to have a huge impact on the market. Economists are predicting a 0.3% month-over-month rise in PCE, which might seem modest, but trust me, it's got major implications. Now, we know that investor optimism has been tempered by stronger-than-expected labor data. Weekly jobless claims fell sharply, and second-quarter GDP was revised higher to 3.8%. So, what does this mean? Well, if the Fed decides to keep interest rates where they are, it could be a sign of confidence in the economy. But if inflation rises above expectations, we might see some serious rate hikes. Meanwhile, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield is floating near 4.17%. That's a big number, folks. It's also pushing WTI crude oil futures higher, hovering near $65.08 per barrel. And let's not forget about gold. It's up to nearly $3,779 per ounce. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the tech sector? Well, the truth is, major AI firms like Oracle, Meta, and Tesla are taking a hit today. Their shares slipped despite beating Wall Street expectations on sales and earnings for the fiscal fourth quarter. But don't worry, we'll keep an eye on them. We're also seeing a bit of a mixed bag in Europe and Asia-Pacific markets. European stocks opened higher on Friday, thanks to some new trade rules announced by the White House. Meanwhile, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index declined 1.35%, while China's Shanghai Composite fell by 0.65%. It's going to be an interesting day ahead. Stay ahead of macro events with our up-to-the-minute economic calendar, filter by impact, country, and more. And don't forget to check out Trega for all your finance news and analysis. We'll be back after this break.